Hello everyone, in this video I am unboxing and reviewing UNI-T UT33A Plus multimeter. I am going to test all major functions of this multimeter later in this video. This multimeter belongs to UT33 Plus palm size multimeter series. I bought it for 1400 rupees, which is around $10. I bought it for its small size and auto range function. Inside the box there is user manual, multimeter and test probes. Like all UNI-T meters, this multimeter is also protected with soft plastic case. Let's take it off to check how we can replace batteries. To open battery compartment, you will need a screwdriver. It runs on two AAA size batteries. Previously, I had this 15 years old UNI-T UT33A multimeter, which isn't working fine anymore. Let's go over each function one by one. To turn it on, rotate functional dial to your desired function. First option is to measure AC voltage. It can measure up to 600 volts AC voltage. Next function is DC voltage, which can also be measured up to 600 volts. Next is AC and DC millivolts. Resistance, continuity, diode, relative capacitance, and three more functions to test current in microamperes, milliamperes, and amperes. LCD's backlight can be turned on by pressing this blue button. Let's test each function one by one. First, I am going to connect it to main AC power supply. As you can see, it is measuring 231 volts. Let's test DC voltage on 5 volts and 3.3 volts pins of Arduino. Next, I will test resistance of few resistors. Due to auto range function, reading of this multimeter is a bit slow. In continuity mode, buzzer will go off if resistance is less than 10 ohms. To test a diode, connect diode's anode with red wire and cathode with black wire. Multimeter will display forward voltage of diode. Let's do capacitance test. I am going to test 2200 microfarad capacitor. Make sure to discharge capacitor first before testing. The multimeter shows 2.17 millifarad, which is close to 2200 microfarads. Next, I will test this small 1 microfarad capacitor. Let's test DC amperes. I am going to test DC current of LED by connecting probes in series with LED and resistor. According to this multimeter, LED is consuming 13.88 milliamperes. That's it for now. I hope you like this video. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for future updates. See you next time. Bye.